Hi, I am Paul, and I would like to briefly explain you about a group intervention that you can use at no cost. It will help your teams to come up with solutions to their problems at work and innovate at your organization. It was created by the EC-funded project Employee ID, and it's designed to be used by groups from 3 to 6 people so they make the most of their knowledge, experience and creativity without the need of a professional coach or facilitator. Let's see how it works with a quick example, but first download the cheat sheet from this online address so you can follow up with each step. Okay, let's go into the example. Imagine this is a day of work with colleagues and one encounters a problem that could use feedback.
Hi guys, I have a problem with the data entry forms and need feedback and ideas. Could you help me?
Of course we can help you, or even better, let's use the peer coaching process to solve your problem.
I also have a situation with a client. Maybe we can talk about that also.
Count on me for that.
I'm in too.
Okay, then we need to select which problem we want to deal with first. Which one you think is a priority?
From my point of view, the data entry issue is one we all suffer, so I would prefer that one.
I agree, we work on that, then we could continue with the client issue.
Sounds good to me.
Great. Then we have Carmela as the client or problem owner for this peer coaching session. Who wants to be the facilitator?
I can do that, if it's fine for you all.
Sure.
Good. Thank you, Andy.
Excellent. Then Deborah, Crystal and myself can be the advisors.
So, Carmela, please explain to us, what is the issue specifically, and what makes it a problem?
I basically need a few more fields on the client form, as I'm using a notepad to follow up with info about clients that I can't include in the system.
That has happened to me too.
Okay then, imagine that the problem is solved. How would that change your work?
It would make it more efficient and effective.
So now advisors, please tell us about the resources she can use to have the problem solved.
I think that your need of having to take notes on your own, outside of the system, is an important fact that management would value as important to solve.
Also, you can use us to support the request, as we would also benefit.
Agree, and because of that, we can assume management will support the form's update, so you could ask management to make that request, so it put in the priority list.
Would that help?
Yes, absolutely. Also, I can ask other colleagues to back the request to management.
Okay, Carmela, then what would be the specific goal to achieve to have the issue resolved?
I would say the objective could be to get the systems department to tweak the client's form so it includes all needed fields.
So, this is a question to all of us. What do we need to do to achieve the objective Carmela just defined?
I would start by sending an email to all of our colleagues here, asking if they have urgent fields to add on the client forms.
Then Carmela can gather that, and send an email to request that we conform to management.
Then we can follow up with management and the systems guys to make it happen.
That sounds like a plan.
Great. Then let's reflect on what we have learned in this peer coaching process.
Peer coaching can do, of course, much more. This example was just a very simple one to illustrate how simple is the process to be used by your teams. We have designed the peer coaching process to make use of the skills of powerful questions, active listening, emotional awareness and the growth mindset. Also, you will find on our website more info about an online tool that is aimed to support you and your team on each step. You can also learn much more about the other ways to support the transformation and growth of your people and your organization.